Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 mods that enhance Minecraft caves and make them fun to explore. Before we begin, if you'd like to download any of the mods featured in this video, all of the download links will be in the description down below. And if you don't know how to install mods, you can click the eye in the top right corner, which will lead you to a video tutorial on how to do so. Alright, let's begin! For the first cave mod, we have Young's Better Caves. This mod completely overhauls Minecraft's cave systems, adding never seen before types of caves and caverns for you to explore. Caves are small and modest at the surface, but the deeper down you go, the bigger and crazier caves get. You'll find many things underground such as lava caverns, turbulent caves, underground lakes and rivers, flooded caverns, and much more. This mod is one of the most powerful and customizable Minecraft cave mods. It adds dozens of options and support for dimension configurability. You can easily change the size, shape, and frequency of different cave and cavern types. This mod includes options for bedrock flattening in the overworld and the nether, which helps get rid of annoying scattered bedrock, replacing it with a flat layer of the player's preferred width. There's also support for integration with Minecraft's vanilla caves if enabled. You can also control a cave biome size with the click of a button. For the next mod on the list, we have Young's Better Mineshafts. This mod completely revamps vanilla mineshafts, changing them from their original straight lines into dynamic, diverse webs of tunnels that turns the classic mineshaft's atmosphere into something entirely new and fun. A mineshaft differs from biome to biome. For example, in a cold biome, mineshafts underground are constructed of ice and snow. Or if you're on a mushroom island, you may just come across a rare mushroom mineshaft. There are 9 biome variants in total. You can find loot stowed in the corners of abandoned workstations or out in the open in a chest on a minecart. Some less common and rare features included in this mod are workstation cellars, abandoned miner outposts, and surface openings into mineshafts. You can also find ore deposits at the end of some tunnels with coal, iron, redstone, gold, lapis, emerald, and very rarely, diamond. Next up, we have the Extended Caves mod. If you're tired of the same bland Minecraft caves, this mod sure helps make things a lot more interesting underground. This mod adds underground structures and dungeons filled with treasure pots, mushrooms, decoration like stalactites, and much more. The textures and models are made to fit well with Minecraft's aesthetic, making this mod upgrade caves nicely. Here are some features provided by this mod. As for structures, there is 1 type of dungeon and 3 types of cabins. They can all contain randomly generated treasure pots. Treasure pots have random useful items, clay pots are common whereas quartz pots are rare to find. Sweet mushrooms can be eaten and cooked to restore 6 points of hunger. Gold shrooms and shiny shrooms can be eaten to give you haste 1 and haste 2. They can also be used to craft sticky stew, that gives you haste 3. Luma shrooms are only decorative and emit light. Small and large flow shrooms also emit light and can be found in swamp and jungle biomes. They are typically found below level 24 and are quite rare. Those mushrooms can be used to craft 2 different stews with useful effects. Stalactites, stalagmites, and pebbles are purely decorative, which help enhance the look of caves. Pebbles can be an alternative way to craft blocks of stone. You can get pebbles by simply destroying them. You can also find hanging roots and different mosses. Frozen moss can only be found in cold biomes. It gives slowness to any mob getting into it. You can find fire moss growing on top of lava stones. It sets any mob on fire when getting into it. Dry moss and hanging roots are decorative and can be found anywhere underground. Before we move on with the rest of the mods, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can enjoy more content from Server.pro and never miss a new video. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. For the 4th mod on the list, we have rleys Caves mod. This mod entirely revamps Minecraft's vanilla cave system, which features massive and continuous cave systems. rleys Caves mod is made to create an underground cave network that feels completely new and fresh, with so many other great mods alongside it, helping change the way you explore the underground. With this mod, there's no digging for hundreds of blocks with nothing to see, and no more of the basic cave tunnels you've seen countless of times. The huge branching of rleys Caves constantly provides more to explore. Unlike the basic vanilla Minecraft cave networks, this mod features extensive, almost endless cave systems, unique tunnel and room shapes, huge branching paths, extensive configuration options, and dimension-independent cave generation. And now for the final mod of this video, we have the Quark mod. Quark is a mod that adds various different features to the game, including features for caves. This mod aims to enhance the game without compromising the game's style, therefore adding new fun features without drastically changing the gameplay. Every feature in Quark can be disabled and tweaked individually, but for this video we're only going to be focusing on some of the main cave features added by this mod, which include big stone clusters, which are a variety of stone types such as andesite, granite, or diorite, that generate in rare massive clusters rather than small nodes that dot the landscape. Cave roots spawn on the walls of caves. Breaking them has a chance to drop a cave root item, which you can eat but takes longer too. Cave roots can also be brewed into a potion that gives you the resistance effect, and you can harvest the roots with shears. Crevices are a new underground cave feature you'll find uncommonly while caving. You could think of them as a sideways ravine. Mega caves are extremely rare massive caves that spawn underground. These caves are intentionally empty, which gives you the freedom to fill the space with your own imagination and creativity. Mega dungeons are tremendous and rare dungeons you can find underground. These dungeons come with a large variety of different rooms and mini challenges, as well as a bunch of loot and monsters to fight. Monster boxes are new blocks you may find randomly scattered around caves. When you get near one, it'll start spawning a few mobs and then break. Speleothems, which are known as stalactites and stalagmites, will generate in caves and the nether in all stone types. They can be harvested only with silk touch, or they can be crafted and grow up to 3 blocks high. With the Quark mod, there are 10 underground biomes added that include the Brimstone biome, Crystal Cave, Elder Prismarine, Glow Shroom, Lush, Overgrown, Permafrost, Sandstone, Slime, and the Spider's Nest biome. Stonelings are non-hostile mobs that spawn in the deep underground. They will spawn in carrying an item and will get startled if you get too close to them without sneaking. Once startled, they'll run away from you and eventually poof and disappear. If you manage to kill one, you'll get the item it's carrying. Tortoises are neutral mobs that will spawn underground. When a tortoise spawns, it will come with a random type of ore, which may include coal, iron, lapis, or redstone. You can attack the tortoise with a pickaxe to have it drop that ore. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to try out these mods for yourself and perhaps along with some friends, check out Server.pro using the link in the description down below. Until next time!